Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. So I am DevOps and Cloud Trainer. So today we have started a new batch which is multi-cloud with DevOps, right? So 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. So new batch started today. Yeah, so in that we discussed about DevOps introduction today, right? So what is DevOps, why the project teams are looking for DevOps tools, what is automation, why automation, these are all we covered today, right? Yeah, so tomorrow we are going to work on cloud introduction. Fine. Yeah, so this course is a master program, multi-cloud with DevOps, right? 3 clouds will be covered, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Along with that, DevOps will be fully covered, right? So nearly 12 tools will be covered, DevOps tools. Every tool will go deep dive, right? Yeah, so whoever not attended today, you can continue from tomorrow. We'll provide you a recording session, today's session. You can go through the recording session and you can continue from tomorrow, right? So yeah, whoever interested, you can add into WhatsApp group. Once you register, you can add into WhatsApp group. You can share the screenshot once you make the fee so that you will add into WhatsApp group, right? So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start regular sessions. So if you are interested, you can add into WhatsApp group, right? So tomorrow's session is very, very important session. Don't miss the session tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to work on cloud introduction. Fine. Thank you all.